Association with Soldier for Women has been a fairly recent one. This is the second time I'm part of an event. For me, it was something I didn't really have to think about. It was a no-brainer once they did come to me, and once I was made aware for the event, I felt like this is the least I can do. Just come to an event for a few hours, and maybe as actors, as popular personalities, I think by just your presence being there makes a bit of a difference. So if I can make a bit of a small difference by just being at an event, for me, that's very little to do to make a difference. So and Gillette is doing great things. It's really paving the way and making a good example for something like this, because it's a very selfless thing that they're doing. They're putting in a lot of work, a lot of hard work, a lot of manpower into something which is just for a social cause. So that's something that is a very pure thing to me, and I wanted to be a part of it.
What inspired you for
Same thing. What I just said, that this is a very good, this is a very important cause, important time in our country to be a part of something like this, and it can only do good, and that's what I'm trying to do.
आदित्य, आशिकी 2 के बाद अभी कई सारी ऐसी लड़कियां हैं जो आपको अपना सोल्जर बनाना चाहती है, तो आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ तो
तैयार हैं आप?
यार अच्छा, वो डिपेंड होता है सोल्जर का मतलब क्या है, पहले आप बता दीजिए, बताइए। अच्छा अच्छा, अभी तो आप छोड़ गए, तो बेसिकली समझ गया नहीं। ऐसी ये जो फीमेल फैन फॉलोइंग या आशिकी के बाद जो आ रही है, इट्स समथिंग दैट मैं कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट, बट सोल्जर वोल्डर बनने का बात आई थिंक कुछ अलग है, दैट्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंट। आई थिंक दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन।
अगर मौका मिला तो
आपका सोल्जर कौन है?
अब मेरा सोल्जर मैं खुद ही हूँ ना बॉलीवुड में। आई थिंक
आप किसके लिए सोल्जर हो?
मैं किसी के लिए नहीं हूँ। आई थिंक इट्स एनीवेज टफ टू लुक आउट फॉर योरसेल्फ, तो पहले मैं अपने आप को संभालूँ, फिर ट्राई एंड थिंक ऑफ समवन एल्स।
you wish to
Any three women I would wish to be in Bollywood. I wish to be a soldier for. I think list बहुत ही लंबी होगी. It's not only 3. I would name maybe 33. But अभी के लिए नहीं. Okay, time है. But नहीं. Thank you. Then next. See, the message is only this: is that we're not asking people to go out of their comfort zone or anything. What we're trying to say is that these are basic principles of being respectful to women, helping them when they do need help, of making sure that you can do your little part. I think all of us have been brought up with a certain sense of family values, and treat women how you would expect some of your own family to be treated, how you would like your wife, your sister, your mother to be treated, and that will make you a soldier for women. I'm pretty sure of that. Thank you. Thanks.